Guys, I just bought a famous rapper's abandoned storage unit for only $270 and found some of his checks that's worth over $35,000. And I found tons of cash, literally, in this unit. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here we go, baby. This is the unit right here, $270. Let's go ahead and dive in. Should we start on this side or this side? Let's start on this side right here. Looks like we have a shirt right here by Fast Cash. Never heard of that brand before. Ooh, a Louis Vuitton bag. Let's check it out, see if anything's in it. All right, we have two things. We have a bullet and we have an envelope. Let's see. So this is the authentic tag. Total price is $300. Don't know what it is. All right. Hopefully that's still in here. Let's keep it rolling. We have a jacket right here. This is a Zara men's jacket. Y'all always say check the pockets. Make sure you check the pockets. So nothing's in the pockets right here, but this is not bad. Next up, y'all, look. We have a pair of Jordan 11s. I think this is the IE model right here, but it doesn't have any insoles in it. But it's a size 9.5 in men. Let's move this bin, and I'm gonna put this bin on top of this one right here. All right, let's pop it open and let's see what's inside of it. All right, so we have a backpack, PlayStation backpack. Never seen one of these before. Has a charger inside of it. What else is inside of it? And that's it. It's ripped on the side, so I could probably sell this at the flea market for around like $5. Hold up, no, I feel something on the pocket area. Okay, I don't know what that is. Nothing's inside of it. Oh, what did I drop? What was this? Ooh, okay. All right, and it's loaded. Somebody was ready.
I'm ready to go right now.
All right, we have a jacket here by Zara. Let me check the pockets. Did you guys always say check the pockets, right? So I'm gonna check the pockets now. But this is actually a really nice jacket right here. Super heavy. Camo, puffer, Zara jacket. Yep, look guys, look. Here's the case right here. Let's go ahead and open it. Matter of fact, let's wait. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down right here and we're gonna open this later. We have a bag here. Got a license plate in it and just paperwork. All right, we have a Gucci dust bag. We have a hat right here by Nissan. This is vintage. Oh, Nissan? I thought it said Nissan, like the car. It's a nice hat though. Oh, this is nice right here. A Jordan jacket. Nice, look at that. Nice little Jordan jacket. Got the Nike Air on the side with the Jumpman. Cha-ching, baby. Got another Zara hoodie. Zara shirt. Look, this dude loved him some Zara. All right, what is this? Saloons. T-shirt, white T-shirt. All right. Ooh, y'all, check this out. We have a Louis Vuitton box. Let's see if anything is in it. And it is not. Don't lose hope. It still might be in here. Y'all, we have another Louis Vuitton container right here, and it's empty. We have another one that's empty. I guess there's a box there. Got Atlanta Braves hat. This is an Essentials Fear of God t-shirt. Nice. Essentials Fear of God. All right, and we have some change down here. A whole bunch of quarters, some even over here. And that's about it. Y'all, we still have this gun case to go in. We're going to check it out a little bit later. But let's look at this container underneath it. See if anything good is in it. All right, let's check this out. Oh, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. All right, but before I touch it, do y'all think something's in it? I don't know, but we're gonna see. Okay, something is definitely in here, but it doesn't sound like shoes. But let's look and see. Okay, it's definitely not shoes, it's paperwork. And that's it. I hope the rest of these aren't full with just paper and stuff. All right. Oh, has some noise to it. Hey, oh shoot, these are nice. Jordan 11s. Oh man, and these are definitely authentic. Wow, this is crazy. Look at that. Need to be cleaned up some, but these look like women. Yeah, these are size 11 in women. Look at this right here. This is crazy. All right, paid $270 for this unit. So I don't know how much these go for, but these probably go for over $100. All right, we good. 1 for 2, y'all. 1 for 2. Let's see about these right here. All right, something is definitely in this one too. And boom, let's go. Some Jordan 6s. Nice, size 9.5 in men. Oh, these are nice right here though. These are clean, y'all. Usually with these like metallic type of shoes right here, they'll be all like messed up all around here, but these are like super clean. All right, we 2 for 3. And I already see a pair of shoes sticking out on the side right here. Oh, Valentino. Oh shoot. Yo. Oh yeah, we in there, y'all. Look, we in there. Valentino. And these are definitely real. We've sold like 2 pairs of these before, and each pair went for like $300. So I don't know about this colorway. I know this model sells really, really good. Y'all check this out right here, guys. Some Valentino shoes right here. Super clean. Look at the bottoms. Super clean, guys. Super clean. And it comes with the box. Let's go. Y'all look. And it has an extra pair of laces. So they barely wore these. So we are 3 for 4. Let's go. Yeah, guys. Can't beat that. Look. $270. We should make our money back off of just this one pair right here. Valentinos. Oh yeah. Now we're in the profit. Let's grab this bin over here. Ugh. Let's see if anything good is in it. All right, we have a sweater, and this is Zara man. What is this? Zara. Yeah, this dude, he definitely loves some Zara. All right, we have a jacket. What does it say? Son Goku. All right. Is it a brand on it? Oh, it's a Dragon Ball Z jacket, size medium. Oh, this is nice. This ain't bad though. Hey, look at the sleeve. Okay. Son Goku. I don't even know if he makes that sound. I don't watch Dragon Ball Z. All right, this is a Zara sweater. All right, we have another jacket, Harry Potter. How many Harry Potter fans is out there? We have another jacket, and I bet you it's Zara. Well, I don't see a tag on it anywhere. Oh, it's a reversible, so probably the tag is in here. Yep. Oh no, this is a members only jacket. Hey, got the 75 right there. We have another jacket. Ooh, starter black label. Check this out. Ooh, look guys, look. There's some money right in here, guys. $20. Let's go. Wow. Put that in my pocket right now. All right, let's check this other pocket. Shoot. Nothing's in there. See, guys, that's why y'all tell me to always, what? Check the pockets. But look, guys, we have the Denver Nuggets, and they actually won the finals last year. So this jacket would definitely sell for good money. We have a denim jacket, Zara man. Yep. And check them pockets. This is a verbatim external slimline CD. Okay, so hold up, is it in here? Let me see, because that may have been the other one we found. Oh no, it's in here. Look, brand new. That's all that's in this bin. Great bin. All right, let's move over here. Let's see what's over here, guys. So we have a pillow, got some laces, some Gucci laces. So y'all, the Gucci shoes, they actually might be in here. We have a Talons. Have you guys ever heard of this brand? Talons. I've never heard of it before, but the quality of it is like really, really good. Like, look at this jacket right here, guys. Super nice. All right, we have a luggage. And hold up, something's in it. Let's check and see if anything is in it. Felt like it, but I could be wrong. And, well, no, something is in the front pocket, it feels like. Oh, deodorant. And what else is this stuff right here? That's the top to it. All right. We have another pillow right here. Y'all, I used to love these pillows growing up. All right, we got another shirt right here. What does this say, y'all? Oh, bape. A bathing ape. But I don't know if this is real right here, guys. Check out this tag right here. I don't know if it's real or not. I mean, it has it on the sleeve right here. It's super dirty. I'm not sure because it doesn't have a tag on the inside of it right here. So, yeah, this might be fake, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think this is a fake Bathing Ape t-shirt. And we have a headboard right here. So no footboard is in here, just the headboard. You probably can see all this on Facebook. But we have an envelope back here. And nothing's in it. Yeah, nothing's in it. All right, let's move on to this last bin right here. Last bin, we have a hanger. We have a Gucci box. Y'all, something is definitely in the Gucci box. Y'all ready? Let's, oh, shoot. Yo, they in here. Y'all, they're freaking in here. Yo, this is crazy. Y'all, check out the Gucci shoes. Dang, these are nice. What size are these? I'm gonna have to keep these. No, I'm playing. Definitely gonna sell them, but y'all look. This is super nice. Look at that. The detail on them. The Gucci on the back. We are doing good in this unit. If you guys are liking this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let's keep going. All right, y'all, look. We have another Louis Vuitton box. And it is empty. All right, let's see what else in here. All right, we got a Gucci box. Something is in it, definitely, but it's a dust bag. Hold up. I feel something in here. Let's see what it is. Ooh, okay. Gucci headband. Nice. Yep. I'm gonna have to authenticate it though. But yeah, this is super nice right here. Nice little Gucci headband. All right, man, he got a whole bunch of these like boxes in here. Dang. Another Louis Vuitton box. Ooh, $2 is in it. Y'all, is this dude stashing money away or something? Found a $20 bill. Look, a $20 bill and a $2 bill. That's $22. Hopefully we can find some more money in there. All right, we have check refills. What is this? Chrome hearts. Yep, chrome hearts right here, guys. This is a chrome heart made in USA. This brand right here, guys, sells for a lot of money. And I never knew what the brand was until the locker when I found the urn in it. And it was a whole bunch of like chrome hearts t-shirts in there. And they sold for like $100+. So I don't know how much this trucker hat sells for, but it's really, really nice. Has a tag on it and everything right here. So, cha-ching. Got another hat, Atlanta Braves. So he was probably a baseball fan. We have a, what is this? Burberry London. Let's open it and see. Something is definitely in it. Let's see. Okay, got a dust bag right here. Y'all check it out. Hey, oh, this is nice. Burberry belt, and it's like super thick too. Look at it. It says Burberry right here. That's nice. Y'all look at the detail on this belt. It says Burberry right here. Has Burberry right here as well. It's kind of messed up right here, but that's probably just from wear. But this should definitely sell for a good amount of money. Got an earring in here. Doesn't say anything on it. It says GND, 10 karat GND. If you guys know what 10 karat GND means, please let me know in the comments. We have some boxes and stuff over here. Oh, it has some weight to it. What is this? BHM Air Force One Low. All right. Oh, it's in there. Hey, let's go. It's in there. Wow, these look weird. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go, baby. A pair of Air Force Ones. My size 10 and a half. Well, no, these are size 9 in men, size 10 and a half in women. So it's definitely not my size. All right, so hopefully this will have a pair of shoes in it, and it does. Hear that? It definitely does. Hey, okay. These aren't bad. Some Jordan 5s in really good condition right here. Soles are yellow a little bit, but usually with like these shoes, you'll see rips and tears all over here. So these are super clean. And when I got home and I was looking through more of his paperwork, guys, he's going to spend some time behind bars, but not just that, but he was a local rapper here and he was making some money. So we have a check right here for $3,000. We have another check, $2,400. We have another check, guys. Check this out. $35,000. This is crazy. Super crazy. $2,400, $3,500, and $2,400, guys. This guy was bringing in money. All right, so let's check out this gun case right here. We're gonna put this on top. And again, something is definitely in it. Here we go, guys. And the brand is Walther. All right, here we go. Man, come on, man. What the... Bro, why would you put a dang on... Oh, Eagle here. I've seen this before. I don't know if this is like authentic, but come on, man. Where's the gun at, bro? Like, got the lock in there. Like, come on, bro. Y'all, we did really good on this locker. Again, only paid $270 for this locker, but guys, we should bring in well over $1,000. I'm just thinking it's gonna be over $1,000 with all those shoes. So listen, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more great storage unit videos like this. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.